Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the node.js express. Today we are going to learn about the issue that is error http header sent cannot set the headers after they are being sent. Why this error occurs? This error occurs because of that you haven't returned anything to that one. So that's the reason it not getting the point, right? So here you can see that where I get the code is like this one. Suppose first it is going to the catch value, right? So the block is gonna be like this break because we are not returning anything, so the code execution is not running. Okay, so when it goes here, then goes to the catch block. Okay, after that it stucks. They don't know how to return the values, right? So to fix this issue, whatever we have to make sure that the value should be returned to run the execution of the block. So here I need to just add the return statement. Okay, so if the user is safe, then return this one. If there is an error, then we have to return so that it will not going to be happen. Okay, saving this one, go to over here and just add this one, and here you need to send again. There is no error, right? At that moment the issue is because of the we haven't returned the statements. Okay, because you can see in the try block this executed, after that this executed, right, in the postman, right? But after this execution, if this happens, then we have to execute the code of the block continuously, right? For that reason we have to return something so that the execution of the code is running on the time. Okay, so whatever the value we have to return so that the this code not gonna be blocked over it, right? Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.